talking about how to effectively write a grant proposal, especially for BIG. So when we say a grant proposal, what do we mean is we are trying to prepare a document where we are compiling data and we are asking for funds for hiring people, manpower, some space, some equipment, and then we are justifying why do we need it. So before we actually start working on this document preparation, the first thing we all should do is read the scheme document guidelines very carefully. Why? Because we really need to understand what the funding agency is looking for, would be supporting, what is the eligibility criteria, and all these details. So we need to research the funding agency before we actually start working on this document. And this document is not only a technical document like a research project. Okay, this is beyond it. So BIG always supports ideas which have a commercialization potential. So we have to take that idea, that product from lab to market. So it's not only research, but it has a business angle to it. So the lesson here is we are kind of selling a dream. So we are very passionate about this idea. And when we are putting all that idea in a document, okay, we are writing it down, we are not getting a chance to actually go there and present. The first thing is we are going to submit a proposal. So that passion should come across through that document also. So we have to be very careful while we are preparing it. It is a dream which we are selling through that document. It's more of a marketing document rather than a research project or a technical document. It's a